Hey my people, what's up? You're back here at Snow by the Day, and I am Snow, and we're here using another sticker kit, some cute dolls, and I also wanted to challenge myself by using a daily layout and turn it into a weekly. So let's go check it out.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Alright, so to start this out, I'm going to use the eraser tool to erase some things that are already implanted into the spread. And by the way, this is from Luxbook Planners, if you're wondering. I'm just going to erase some things so I can clear out the space and I can figure out how I can turn this daily into a weekly. This is another thing that I love about digital planning. I can erase, I can add, I can do whatever. Now that my spread is all clean and ready for me to customize, it's time for the stickers. So this sticker kit is so adorable, and I wanted to start matching, being intentional when I buy sticker kits of things that I already have in my digital sticker collection. So I found this sticker kit with EsaGreyDesign. I found her on Instagram, and then I followed her over to Etsy, and I will make sure to put her information down below. So I really used almost a lot of the stickers that was in here, and I'll continue to use them even after Christmas is over. Like these date stickers, the color is beautiful, the font is beautiful. I can use them whenever. And if y'all can tell, I did it again, this time not with the numbers but the actual days of the week. I have Friday on Thursday and Thursday on Friday. What is wrong with me? Something is wrong with me, but it doesn't matter. I've already gone back and fixed it. I didn't fix it in this video, but I did end up fixing it. And now it's time for the lady of the hour. Look at her. Ain't she cute? I'm gonna start naming these girls my own little names or whatever. She is so cute. So I knew I wanted to use her for this spread. So I went and just searched for sticker kits that had similar color scheme. That way I can utilize my money and I'm not buying similar stickers over and over again. If you catch my drill, it's just like your wardrobe and your closet. You build on your collection, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm catching some very awesome sales, y'all. These stickers cost nothing and I can use them multiple times. Even washi, there are digital sticker washies. I love it. So I love to just photo dump or sticker dump all of the stickers that I'm interested in onto my page, and then it's like a collage. You just put it there, place it there. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I might like this. I just love dumping all my stickers on my spread. It's funny. And look at even this. This was one sticker that I've turned into two now. I didn't need that whole sticky note with the chocolate Santa, baby. I just made him into my own sticker. I mean, it can't get no better than that, baby. Now something real sexy is about to happen. So with the paper stickers, you might combine 2 and 3 stickers together. Girl, I did this with this doll. This is just 3 stickers, but for some reason I am just still blown away. I promise y'all, I will open up my iPad and go to this spread just to look at this collage of stickers. That girl looked too cute with them presents at her feet that match her fit. I mean, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me that ain't cute. And if you tell me that it's not cute, baby, you're a hater, and that's why she got her hater shades on. I must say that this chocolate Santa hit it right on the dot. I love the diversity. Thank you. Because if y'all saw in my Christmas tree, vlog when I was trying to find ornaments and stuff, couldn't find no black Santa. But my planner community made it happen for me, and I just want to say thank you. What's these people's name? Let me get their name right. Thank you, EsaGreyDesign, for providing a Santa Claus that looks like me. Okay, so I love Luxbook Planner, the brand, the girl, everything. And I love that she does a lot. She does have videos on YouTube, but she likes to go live more on Instagram. So I really follow her live for like this like ongoing new skill that I'm trying to learn. And this is me practicing of picking up using the I think it's called the lasso tool to grab a whole bunch of stickers and move it about the whole spread. I absolutely love it. And I love that her as a brand, she shows you how to use her products. I mean, what more can you ask for? I mean, show me how to make this system work, because I want to make it work. Just show me how to make it work. And she's showing me, baby, and I'm loving the outcome. I'm loving what I'm creating with her products. I mean, oh yeah, and so I'm not trying to switch y'all over to digital, but if you ever wondering about it or anything, now I am still a newbie, but I thought about just making a video giving the basic tools. Like, I never show y'all the toolbar and the things that I'm using, but if y'all are interested, please let me know in the comments below, okay, if that's something that you're interested in. But let me tell you, this is a slippery slope, okay? If you tried and you love it, don't go blaming me. Don't blame me. I'm just trying to turn you on to some new. Now that I have the fundamental stickers dropped and laid, now it's time to do another sticker drop, okay, of accessories. I call them sticker accessories, okay? It's the little fine details. It's the little cute things that just make your spread pop. So yes, I'm gonna dump all those stickers onto this spread, and then I'm gonna place them. Now, I'm not gonna place all of them because I like to do that throughout the week. I love white space planning. The point of white space planning is so that you can actually plan something, very much something, okay? Very much something. So I'm going to add a couple things here and there. Sometimes, even with me being a white space planner, I do get a little pressured and I just be like, I want to add more stickers. But at the end of the day, I usually come back and be like, girl, that's too much. Like, you don't even know what's really going to happen on that day. Like, you might have some set things, but what about some other things? You just never know how your day going to be. That's why I do the white space planning. I need the freedom, once again, to do whatever I want in my spread, and I can't do all of that. When I put all that stuff on my spread, I can't do it. I just can't. Okay, I'm done. Over my rant.
Like frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering the sample free.
So if you don't hurry up and pick a side, girl. You know that was too much in that corner. Put her back where she belongs, in the middle. Damn. Get your sticker kids out the streets now. Get them out the street. All right, y'all. If y'all have made it to this point, you have come to the end of this plan with me. I want to thank y'all so much. Please, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a like and think about subscribing. Deuces.